All right, good morning here. This is Scott from Central Valley. Just want to give a little update here. We've been monitoring these three trucks right here for this company for about a year and a half, and we've gone over all their maintenance records and all the repair records, and we have saved them well over $120,000 in repair costs. And here's the other thing is, I just want to go over some live trucks that are running. When you hover over them, you can see that this truck's driving down the road, and Central Valley's power system, well, system power, and then of course our amps. That's just one truck. Here's another one going up towards Reno, and you can see right here that it's driving at a high altitude, and it's going about 55 miles an hour voltage, and then Central Valley's amps as well, showing that the system's continuously working. Here's another truck that's driving down 99 there, going about 58 miles an hour voltage, and then of course Central Valley's amps. These three trucks have been getting a consistent 20 to 27% fuel savings with our data recording, which on several of our videos you can see. Again, there's no other hydrogen company doing this technology. We have over 1,000 units out there all over the world, and very happy customers. But anyways, I just thought I'd do a quick little live update showing what Central Valley HHO's been up to. Have a good day.